How to make chicken ball. Mark chicken breast into 4 pieces, then cut. If you want bigger balls, you need bigger breast. You want to try cut all breast into even size pieces, like this. Now to make the batter. Pour in 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add in 1/4 cup of water. Mix it up together. You want to add another 1/4 cup of water slowly and keep mixing. This is consistency that you will want. So altogether, 1/2 cup of water. Take chicken and dip into batter. Make sure all cover. Once covered, take covered chicken and put into oil. You can use deep fat fryer or wok. Need be very careful. You want to fry chicken ball for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep moving around so don't stick together. Once balls are nice and golden, you want to remove from oil and sit to side until they drain off, like this. I no eat chicken ball, but my doggy he love chicken ball. And serve. Lovely jubbly, nice golden chicken ball.